Hi, so welcome back. This is part two where we look at the week ahead. So this week we're going to see plenty of central bank speakers and of course we're going to see more central bank rate hikes as well. Plus there's PMI action. So in the US we've got housing data, but for me the highlight of the week will be Powell giving testimony, which he does over 2 days. And again, just watch those jobless claims and of course PMI. In the EU, we've got PMI out, so it's a bit sort of sparse on data. Germany is PMI and PPI. So again, just keep an eye on the PPI in Germany for inflation. Now in the UK, we was pretty quiet last week on the data front, so this week we've got lots coming out. We've got housing data, CPI, PPI, retail price index, and of course that all-important Bank of England rate decision. It should be another 25 basis points, which is going to get them much closer to the Fed. It's going to be 4.75%. And then we've got consumer confidence, which, I really do sort of value consumer confidence because that impacts us and how much we're going to spend, how much we're going to save. And of course, at the moment, you've got to think about it. We account for 60 to 70% of an economy. So for me, that's really important. And then we've got retail sales, which again will show us how and if we're spending. And then of course that PMI. Now, other meetings this week and rate decisions. We've got Norway's central bank meeting, and there we should see another hike. We've got the Swiss rate decision. Then in Australia, we've got the RBA minutes from their last meeting. Canada, retail sales and housing data. Then in China, we've got the PBOC decision. It's 3.65% at the moment. They've trimmed some of their sort of longer dated rates. It's possible they could trim that one as well. Whether they will, I don't know. But, it's China, but we'll soon find out. And Bank of Japan will release their minutes and also CPI as well. So, an interesting week. And, the macro outlook is looking a bit blurred, a bit always interesting, but there's a lot more to be said about that, and I will cover that in part 3. But of course, before I do that, we're going to look at our services. So daily newsletters, global news, my views, and then also available are chart levels and pivot points. And then if you want to improve or you want to get into trading, then we offer 1-day workshops. If you're more serious about turning it into a career, we do our 1-week courses, and there's 2 or 3 different ones there. One of them does include a free trading challenge to try and get that funded account. And then of course, if you're really serious about becoming a trader, then our accredited comprehensive masterclass is the one for you. This is designed specifically to provide you with all the knowledge and trading tools you're going to be needing to navigate any market conditions and also any asset class. And in fact, the next one starts Monday the 19th, so we are right on the doorstep of it. It's not too late to join if you'd like to. And then of course trader mentoring, again just to sort of help you if you're already trading to improve. I will look and try and identify where there are areas of improvement for you. We consult companies, so if you need some help or you've got exposure to FX or commodity, then reach out to us. And of course we provide a mass of trader educational content to individuals, exchanges and brokers. And as I just mentioned, as usual, if you want that funded trading account, or you don't want to use your own capital, then that's a great route to go to try and qualify for a funded account. Any questions? You can contact us at info@cymaxfintech.com, or directly to me at chris.tubby@cymax-int.com. And look forward to catching up with you in part 3, which is my macro outlook.